Okay, we're into the Sweet 16, Anderson. Kansas and Nevada. Kansas, Nevada. Kansas it is. Two. Oregon and Michigan, with Oregon being on his left. Uh-oh, here it comes though. Kansas and Oregon. Anderson. Kansas it is. How did this kid take 3 #1 seeds? Okay, there's 2 matchups left. UNC, Kansas. Kansas on the left with the #1 overall seed. Here's UNC. UNC, okay. And for the championship game matchup between 13th seeded East Tennessee State and North Carolina, the top seed, we have North Carolina, East Tennessee State. East Tennessee State wins. And so does Anderson with a mouthful of puffs. Good job, buddy.